Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming basic prerequisites. Battery above 10% and phone unlocked so changes apply. Once ready, open settings from the home screen or app drawer. This is where system toggles live. Next, tap network and internet or connections depending on your Infinix model. These labels vary but serve the same purpose. Make sure you don't tap data usage yet. We need to get into the right category first so you don't miss the data saver toggle. Once in network and internet, tap data usage and then data saver. If you can't find it, use the settings search bar and type data saver. On some Infinix units or Android Go variants, data saver is nested under mobile data settings instead. You'll see a switch to enable or disable data saver and a list of apps allowed to use background data. Take a moment to note which apps are restricted so you understand the impact of turning the feature off. Now toggle data saver off. You may see a confirmation prompt. Accept it so background data is restored. Once disabled, open a previously restricted app and refresh content to verify it can use mobile data. If connectivity still seems limited, make sure mobile data is on and airplane mode is off. Then restart the phone to clear temporary network states. Troubleshooting tip. If disabling data saver doesn't help, check app-level data restriction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.